In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DSers with Shopify. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll have DSers up and running on your Shopify store smoothly and effectively. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's delve into it. To start, you'll need to access the Shopify App Store, which is where all the magic begins. In your Shopify admin interface, you can find the App Store easily. Once you're in the App Store, navigate your way to the DSers app page. This is where it starts to come together, as this app is specifically designed to optimize your dropshipping business by automating much of the process, from product selection to order fulfillment. Once you're on the DSers app page, you'll see an option to add app. This is a straightforward one-click option that begins the installation process. By clicking Add App, you're essentially telling Shopify that you'd like to integrate this tool into your current setup. It's very user-friendly, with Shopify guiding you through each part of the way. Now, after you've clicked Add App, you'll be automatically redirected back to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is a crucial step where the app requests permission to be connected to your store. Don't worry, this is completely normal. For DSers to function properly, it needs access to certain aspects of your store, like the ability to manage orders and products. Here, you'll click on Install App, giving DSers the necessary authorizations to integrate effectively with your system. It's always wise to understand what you're allowing, so take a moment to read through the permissions to ensure you're comfortable with them. The permissions are in place to let DSers do tasks that facilitate smoother operations on your behalf, without the need for constant manual interventions. Congratulations, you've now successfully integrated DSers into your Shopify store. By following these steps, you've set the stage for a more efficient and streamlined dropshipping operation, leveraging DSers' full potential to manage your store more effectively. You can now explore the various features DSers offers to optimize your product listings, automate order management, and utilize powerful analytical tools to fine-tune your operations. Remember, integrating DSers is just one part of the equation for achieving e-commerce success. It's essential to explore all the functionalities and opportunities the app provides to get the most out of your Shopify store, ensuring your business remains competitive and responsive to your customers' needs. Thanks for following along, and here's to taking your dropshipping endeavor to the next level with Shopify and DSers.